Next, let's go to the practice with the Python code. You can again find this Python code exactly the same. Folder, type my name, Hyoung-Goo Gang, Hyoung-Goo Gang, Google site, teaching, alternative investment, and then residual income valuation model. And then we have this code, RAM example. Okay, this one. Okay, close. Okay, so this one. Okay, so we want to implement residual income valuation model with Python. First, we import numpy as np and then define a function discrete rim valuation, residual income valuation, discrete version. We need BORE, so they are input. We need BORE and I1 reinvestment rate, residual income growth rate, and projection period. Default is 5. Okay. Now this is a comment explanation of function. It calculates intrinsic value using the discrete time residual income model without adding a separate terminal book value because we don't need it. That's the advantage of RIM. So argument B node is initial book value, RE is quarter by quarter, and I1 is net income in year 1. At least we know how much we will make this year. Reinvestment year, like reinvestment rate is decimal. Residual income growth rate is the growth rate of net income. Okay, let's say. And the projection period, number of years to project residual income. Okay, so returns a dictionary containing intrinsic value, PV, principal residual income part, and then residual income table. List of dictionaries, each containing year-wise calculation. So residual income table currently empty, book value B note, net income, which is NI1, PV residual income sum is note. Okay, and for every year starting from year 1 and projection period plus 1 because Python, it is root of Python. In this way it ends at 5. Okay, so we should add plus 1. Okay, so equity charge is RE, cost of equity plus multiplied by book value. Residual income is net income minus equity charge, and then delta book value, change of book value is reinvestment rate multiplied by net income. Reinvestment rate is retention rate is 1 minus payout rate, right? And the beginning book value is book value here, and the book value is delta book value. So in that way, once we in that way we update the book value. Okay, plus equal to book value plus delta book value, it is updated. So we do it further, and then PV of residual income is divided by year. Okay, and the PV of residual income sum is we keep adding the residual income part. So this is output, residual income table, append. Okay, beginning book, net income, this one we append delta book value and delta. So net income is net income multiplied by 1 plus residual income growth rate. That's the growth rate of net income. Okay, and then intrinsic value is B dot, and the present value residual income sum, and it return intrinsic value, present value of residual income sum, and then it generate table. Okay, and then how about continuous residual income valuation? Okay, It has a simpler one. Okay. So B naught ROE RE K T minus T. Okay. So calculate intrinsic value using the continuous time residual income model without adding a separate terminal book value here. So the argument, actually we don't need this part. I'll simply delete this one. Okay. So argument is that B naught is initial book value, ROE return on equity, and RE is cost of equity, K is dividend payout ratio, 1 minus retention rate, T minus T is time period for excess return, big T minus small t actually. A dictionary containing intrinsic value, PV residual income, initial book value, and growth rate G, growth rate of book value. So growth rate 1 minus K minus ROE, okay, growth rate is a growth rate of book value. G minus RE is this one. So if G minus RE is 0, PV of this one is simply ROE RE B naught T minus T. Limited case if G equals RE, else we have this one. Okay, so exponent term is NP G minus C, exponent of G minus G, T minus T. And then PV of residual income is this one. Okay, we already know this formula. So intrinsic value is therefore, okay, therefore intrinsic value is therefore, right, B dot and PV of residual income. So we have this return. Okay, our return value, intrinsic value, PV of residual income, and initial book value, and growth rate G. Now let's put some numbers. For discrete time example, let's assume B node is 10,000 USD. Okay, let's add this one to understand it better. $10,000, and equity cost of equity of 12%. Initial net income is 15,100. Reinvestment rate is 0.60. So 60%. Residual income growth rate is, it grows at 3%, and projection period 5. So the Dixitarian valuation result is, we call the function, and then put discrete exam parameters. We plug these parameters over here. Okay, and then we print those values. Okay, and then for data in discrete value result, residual income table, and then dividend, we keep generating this one. And then for continuous time example, we put this one and print out the result, and then if we run it, then we have this beautiful output. Okay, so with table is, well, the line is not perfectly aligned. Okay, line is not perfectly aligned. That usually happens. Okay, so to make line perfectly aligned, here I can reduce this one by 1. Okay, well, still it doesn't, well, because this dividend, this is too long, right? This is too long. So dividend, okay, dividends, okay, well, this is not enough, but let me delete S. Does it? Yes. Now equity charge part. Okay, so, well, equity charge. Okay. Yeah. Now it is correct. But anyway, if you change the output number, it again changes. But at least I want to make it better. So now it is much better. Although about the last part, well, because of change of output, okay? And a continuous time value, we have this output. So when you use now in practice, when you use rigid income model, all you have to do is just change the numbers over here, okay? Change number over here, okay? Then you can reuse this one, okay? Or this one to reuse the table.